Hi, thank you so much for tuning in to Cress Collaborative, our final business plan for Management 4703. Let's get started. I have done my business plan based on the business of my choosing, and that is my custom events and wedding business that I'd like to pursue later on. Um, I wanted to create something that really helped me with my strengths and something that I'm really passionate about. Crest Collaborative is going to be a multifaceted, hopefully in the future, event planning service and something that really helps people create and maintain the event or wedding of their dreams and what they want to do. So, our mission statement is reinventing life's important events through innovative designs and client focused customer service. Two things there. Innovative designs is something we're going to offer because we want to be at the top of our industry and we want to make sure that our designs speak for themselves. That means vision boards and creating that custom look that our customer really wants. Customer service is something that we're going to push. It's going to be number one to us to make sure that our customer and our client is always happy and that they are satisfied 100% with our services. A couple of our objectives and how we're going to do that is we want to be able to produce consistent, high quality services effectively every single time we do our work. And we want to work with other like minded vendors and venues to create beautiful weddings and events so that we can have our endless ideas come to life and have our creativity displayed as well. We want to remain honest in our business, curious about our industry, passionate, and encouraging not only to our staff, our clients, but to really anybody who sees our work. How we're going to do that and our keys to success is we're committed to quality and to our customers. That is a big, huge thing for us. And like I said, part of our mission, that's why it's part of our mission statement, is because it's a huge focus for our company and for us. And also continued confidence in our staff and the goals that we set, and continued education in our industry to make sure, again, we are at the very peak of our knowledge in what we have going on so that we're offering our customers the very top of the line services, software, anything like that. And finally, the best way to be successful is an unwillingness to quit, being persistent and staying focused in our business. A little bit about Crest Collaborative is it started as an idea a couple years back. I started my wedding and everybody thought I was just this old, just kind of crazy. I brought this binder out and I had tabs and I had a 7-page itinerary and it was wild, but you know what? Everything on my wedding day went without a hitch, and I have no regrets. And I found a calling and a passion in that, and that's where Crest Collaborative, the idea of that was kind of born. So it's kind of one of my dreams to open, and I really look forward to kind of diving in deep and kind of going more into this. So, right now, Crest Collaborative is locally based. I live in Noble, Oklahoma, and right now it's a home based business. I work from home, so I have another full time job, so this is something that I'll be able to do on the side. We one day wish I would love to have a home office or another office located to where I have an event building or somewhere I can have specialized events and even weddings sometimes. So right now, most meetings will be conducted either in social settings via coffee chats or restaurants, dinners, lunches at the client's home, or video chats and over the phone. So our physical address right now is here in Noble. So that's how it will stay until then. And we do have a business email set up, which is focused there. Our staff is just combined of a few close friends. Samantha and Elliot Branicki, husband and wife team with their son Aylis here. Sam is another event planner, and she will come on and be kind of my right-hand man at events and also help out with other events to help create different types of visions and help brides and different clients create those events as well. Her husband is going to help me be a media specialist. He is going to run my website and also help out with social media because that's extremely important important in our day-to-day focus. Bree Schwing is a very talented event photographer and just a photographer. She's launched her own personal business within the last year, and it's taken off tremendously because of her talent. I'm very lucky to have asked her to come on to do my branding and my marketing as far as sort of just kind of my pictures and our website and things like that. So super excited. Paula Whitford is my grandmother. She is also going to help out with accounts receivable. All of my team will be paid on an hourly basis and per packaging details as well. Which is mixed in and accounted for in our finances later on. The reason I chose to be a sole proprietor versus LLC is just the flexibility of the business, and also looking at LLC, it was a little bit more expensive to do right out of the gate. So I did not include that in my startup expensive. It is something down the line that I'd like to have for more liability to cover not only myself but my staff, especially if this is something that moves on and I'm able to hire on more staff and be and have more people on. And also, I wasn't comfortable keeping separate funds just yet. So sole proprietorship was what I went with. Like I said, less costly. And also, as you operate, it's just a different taxing purposes as well with the state, which worked out better for me and for my personal finances. So again, so going through our marketing, we have a lot of different techniques for how we are going to do marketing, but let's talk about our potential clients. Potential clients are definitely going to be brides and grooms, anybody who is in that wedding industry and looking to get married, remarried, vow renewal, anything like that, and anybody who's wanting to throw an event. That could be a party or a reunion, anything like that is going to be who our potential clients is. Age really does not matter. Looking at the research, more age groups between 25 to 35 are more likely to throw a party and and hire an event planner. So that will be our age group that we tend to go for, and that will tend to hire outside help. Shopping habits, most corporate events and parties can be planned at any time, but weddings do have popular seasons, mostly due to the fall and climate and just for the seasonal effect that weddings have, be it September through December and May through June for summer weddings. Special events and outside services, you're really looking to do at any point at holidays as well, so holidays are a great time to book these parties. How much will they pay? Most wedding packages start at $800, and that is where our packages will start. Most of our package items will be a la carte because we want ours to be affordable and custom built packages so that they stay low cost for the bride who just needs, or just the person who needs a little bit. My hourly range after looking over some compatible event planners is going to be $22.50 per billable hour. This is just some other strengths and weaknesses that other event planners have, and that what they do is they've been in the market longer and their reputation is there, but also their weakness is their reputation. So that is something that we would have to look at, going forward as other event planners. What can I do better? What can we do better going forward? And hopefully our customer service and our innovative ideas will really stretch those ideas. Employers are people trying to do it themselves. They want to save that money, but the weakness in that is that they don't have the time. We have to market that and be able to sell our idea and what we want to do and make it worth their time and energy. So this was just a quick topic that I found that I thought really went well with that as well. After doing some local market research, my top local competitors right around the metro area, I wanted to point out who they were, what markets that they targeted, what their services were, and also what their prices were. They have some really great websites that I looked at, and I thought that it was really good to have an idea of what I needed to do and what our opportunities were. If you look at prices category, it's hard to come up with different prices of my competitors because it is really the event and wedding planning industry is based on different prices and kind of your a la carte, if you will. So Marketing, we will continue to do all of our appropriate channels: signage, newspaper, flyers, brochure, and online websites with a media specialist. Another key marketing strategy is going to be going to those bridal shows. Oklahoma has a huge bridal show in the winter and the fall where you can set up and have your market and have your marketing out and also get lead generation as well. So another one is being featured in the top wedding magazine, Brides of Oklahoma, to drive our business and to get some visibility. So again, OK Bride bridal show, a huge media presence and also social media, and Brides of Oklahoma for magazines. So our company description is we are an all-inclusive event and wedding planning consultation company. We offer exclusive packages to fit every party need with elegance and style. Our staff includes highly trained consultants who are my personal friends. Weddings are also something we specialize in to make sure our brides feel no stress on their big day. Custom packages can be built for any wedding or event to better suit your needs. So our 6-month financial projections are based on a launch in May of 2019. This gives us time to get our website up and running, do a soft launch in April, and get our signage and marketing done. Our estimated cash sales is based on one wedding and 2 events, totaling out at $11.50. That's something we'd want to accomplish, giving us a profit of $11.50. So if you go through here, our advertising will cost us $200. Probably upfront for signage, marketing, and things of that nature. Also, as you can see, the marketing show is $1,500. So our revenue looks great, but we need to make sure that we are maintaining at that $11.50. So profit margins look great here, except for that loss of $7.70, just to go back, during the bridal show of September of 2019. So maybe hoping to add more revenue during that. Let's talk a little bit about our services that we provide. We do planning consultations. We do them at 6 months, 2 months, and a week prior to the event. So that's going to include the creation of dream boards, the going over your plans, and making sure that everything is ready to rock and roll. We do personalized timelines and checklists for every event, and to make sure that every event runs smoothly and that our bride and our client feels great about who they're with and what's going on with that. Venue consultations, research, and recommendations. We do venue checks, and we also can help you find vendors for your event. We will have budget development and tracking to help you keep track of your budget. Event styling and designs. This is those specialized vision boards created for each event and each bride. Decor, specialized decor. Also, setup and tear down team is available for you to be able to set up and tear down, for you not to be able to worry about it. Private event security we can hire out and is available. Day of coordination, and that's just to make sure that your day goes smoothly. And free event consultation right out of the gate so that we can get to know each other and so that we can really show our client who we are and what we offer as a business. And again, we really want to push those custom built packages because in our research, they seem to be more viable as far as what people want to buy and purchase. So again, a la carte items and custom packages so that we're covered for any next events. The beautiful thing about Cress Collaborative is I have a few friends who'd like to help me with the startup, and I have decor as far as what I needed now. So you can see here our location and administrative expenses is going to be $150. Most of our bulk is going to be in advertisement and promotional expenses for the bridal shows, signage, and business branding and marketing. So our working capital right now is nothing, but I do have a few friends who are willing to invest in the company, and hopefully later I will have a few more investors who are willing to invest in Cress Collaborative, because it is going to be an incredible journey and an incredible business to help people accomplish their dreams and the events of their life. So thank you so much for viewing this. I've had an excellent time in this class, and I hope you have a wonderful day.